Right guys, the new cameras are in. So we've got the camera. We're doing two different types of clips. The one that will clip on there like that, or we're going to do another which is a clamp that will go on there and hold the camera. The choice is yours. So basically, put the camera on there. Turn the monitor on. Take the waterproof rubber boot off. I always go to channel 4. And then adjust this so that you can see the end of the nozzle clearly in the screen. And that's gone on there perfect. So waterproof boot back on and you're ready to go. If you find you're getting any interference on here, just change the channel down to channel 1, 2 or 3 and change the camera accordingly. On the other end, you're going to get clipped. We're only using one pole just to show you, but however many poles you've got, put your clamp onto there and your monitor will then lock into there and you're ready with your visual on there. Let's put that on there.